Here at Timbercraft, we offer custom cabinetry, custom furniture, basically anything that has to do with wood, we can do it. So initially when I decided to start this business, I reached out to one of my old foremans and who had started a business here locally in Fayetteville and asked him, where do you start? Where did you start when you decided to open a business? He told me to call John and Desi at the SBDC. John was crucial in helping me figure out what my first steps were from creating a business plan and what needed to be in that, along with helping me do financial projections and basically getting all the groundwork laid for starting a business. And then he told me to contact Janet McCrae about the eCommunity loan for working capital. So from there I was able to talk with Janet and utilize a lot of the documents I'd already gotten with John and really hit the ground running as far as getting set up financially for my business. When I started the process for the eCommunity loan, I had to have kind of all my paperwork together. I had to make sure I had a clear business plan, financial projections, who I was going to reach out to, potential clients. After I was approved for the eCommunity loan, that was rather easy at that point, because then it was just a matter of I had one meet and greet and just to kind of go over what was expected of me, and then it was just giving over my bank information, and it was easy after that. The eCommunity loan really allowed me to really get my beginnings set up. The problem with just the bank loan was that it was just for equipment, and that doesn't help you with rent, insurance, utility bills, internet, all those other startup costs that go in with starting a business. Having the eCommunity loan really helped me not be so financially strained in the first few months, where I could support my business and still get my name out there at the same time. Along the process, I connected with quite a few different people that have been really incremental in helping me stay organized throughout my first year of business. John and Desi at the SBDC, I've reached out to him several times throughout the first year, just making sure that, my price points were right, my hours and how I was figuring all my numbers was correct. I reached out several times to Janet McCrae, just for local information and financial information as well. And just kind of creating that network around you for support is really, really important. I feel like if I wouldn't have been able to connect with a lot of these people, it'd be really difficult to do it by yourself. I think the advantage is it's local. I think you get to meet local people that you most of the time probably wouldn't meet in the beginning, which a lot of those people can really help you out. I think it's incredibly difficult to start a business on your own, especially in today's climate, and I think having that network of local people that you can reach out to is really, really helpful. Since I've been able to receive the eCommunity loan, I think Timbercraft's future is very bright. Our last year, we did over $200,000 in sales, which I think is fantastic for year one. I was able to pay myself a little bit, and I think going into next year, it looks even brighter. I've since now hired 2 employees, and we just keep growing. If there's anybody out there that doesn't think they can start a business, I want to tell them there's options out there for you, that there's support networks and people and financial opportunities that you can look into, like the eCommunity loan, that can really help you make it happen. I never in a million years thought I would really get to this point where I'm at the age of 32, but I am, and it's through the help of the eCommunity loan.